Everyone, I am your art and craft teacher Shine Khan. Today I will show you how to make a dancing doll. Okay, today we will learn how to make this type of dancing doll. Okay, so for this we need some material. Okay, first we want this color of glitter sheet of any color. You can take a glitter sheet of any color. Okay, golden, silver. I have taken a orange. Okay, this is the first thing. Or the second thing is a net cloth. Okay, if you are not having a net cloth, you can take any type of paper, tissue paper or any type of colorful paper. Okay, I am having a net, so I am telling you in a net cloth. Okay, this is the second material. Third is a scissor, a stapler, ribbon for making a bow. Okay, ribbon, or golden and silver beads. Okay, if you are not having this, so you can make you can use any other of decorating material. Okay, so the first process that we have to start, we have to take a glitter sheet. Okay, and draw the figure of dancing girl at the back side. Okay, so this is a back side. Now we will draw a figure of dancing girl at the back. Only you have to draw the figure, not the front side. Okay, you can draw dancing girl in any ways. Okay, that is easy for you. You can draw according to your choice. Okay, first I draw this, then I will show you how to draw this. In any size you can draw the figure of dancing girl. If you are not having a glitter sheet, so you can take any colorful sheet, but it should be tight. It should not be loose. Okay, now I have drawn the figure of dancing doll. Okay, you can see it. Okay, this is the figure of dancing girl at the back I have drawn. Okay, now we will cut it accordingly. Now we will cut it. Okay, we will cut it and we will take out the figure of dancing girl. This is a figure of dancing girl. Okay, now I cut it. I have cut this figure. Okay, from the glitter sheet. This is a figure. Now the second process we will start, that is a net. Okay, net. Okay, now we will start to make its dress. For making it dress, we have to fold it like a fan, as we fold a paper fan. Fold it like this. One fold, second fold. Fold it properly. I will show you. First I will fold it, then I will show you. Okay, fold it properly like this. Okay, this is the shape of dress. Now you can paste it with the help of stapler or the hot glue gun if you are having. Now staple it tightly. Okay, now staple it properly so that it cannot be Okay, now I staple it. Okay, now this dress is done. Okay, in a same way we have to make a dress. Now we will decorate it with the golden or silver pearls. Okay, you can paste this pearls on its dress. Okay, paste the golden or silver pearls. Okay, now I paste it on its dress. You can decorate the dress on other ways also. In different ways you can decorate it. Now I will staple this bow. Okay, I made this bow with ribbon, with the ribbon, satin ribbon. Now we will paste this dress on its body like this. Okay, you can take a hot glue gun because it works very nicely. Okay, otherwise you can use stapler. First I will staple it, then I will show you how you have to staple this. Okay, staple like this. Staple the net on its body. Okay, we have to staple its dress on its body very neatly. Okay, now this I pasted this dress on its body. Okay, now I paste it here, bow on its dress like this, or you can tuck it with the help of needle. If stapler is not working, then you can use needle or thread. Okay, this is done. Okay, dress is pasted, dress is decorated, and bow is pasted on its body. Now I will decorate its hair, its lock. Okay, so for this we need some silver or golden pearls. I will show you how you have to paste on its upper portion, on its hair. Okay, like this. Okay, watch it. Now I pasted its golden or silver pearls on its hairstyle. Watch it. Okay, now this is done. Okay, now the dancing girl is done. So this is a very easy process. For this you need only glitter sheet or the net cloth. Okay, now this is done. I hope you liked it. Okay, so all you need to try at your home. Okay, whatever material you are having, you can use in that. Okay, so I think, okay, so see you with okay, see you in next thing. Okay, I will show you another thing. Okay, till then, bye bye.